for subscribing to my channel and showing so much love to my videos. And if you haven't yet, please go and subscribe to me, and also do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. So from the caption you know that what is this video is about. So today I thought to try a new color, new look on me from this very famous salon called the 76 Stylist, and this has been recommended by one of my very dear friends. So let's see how does that go. Which one? This one?
We try to get as light as possible, either this or either this one.
This is like a ash or beige shade. Okay, so guys, I have decided one like ash beige kind of color. I'm getting it done from the director hairstylist here. His name is Charles. He's very famous here. So I'm really hoping for the best color to be done. And let's see how does that go. Change, but after like 6 hours of this process, my stubborn red color is not ready to go. Still there's a little bit of tint of like red, so the stylist has recommended to come again tomorrow for the final process. So let's see. Hey guys, good morning. So today is the day 2 of my hair coloring session, so let's get inside.
Then lightening that might become lighter like the end mark yesterday. So after that I will just turn it under. Then I thought top one so we can like sponsor you for the treatment and the same color like the same time. So the treatment is your to prepare the condition.
Yes. So guys, today I'm getting it all my stubborn red color off, and also they are giving me a complimentary hair treatment, which is really good. So this is the ultrasonic treatment which I'm going through with the process of repairing the damaged hair, and this is the ultrasonic iron. You can see.
It's
stylist. He has spent a lot of time and a lot of efforts. You can see it. And really thank you so much for all your efforts, Charles.
Thank you for coming support.
One of the best salon experience ever. So guys, finally the 10 hours of wait is over, and it took me like 2 days to get this look, and I'm finally so happy with this because I really needed a change. And all thanks to 76 Styles. They really have an amazing stylist over here, and Charles, you're superb. And also the treatments they have given me was like ultrasonic hair treatment. It was basically the steamer you used to see, that the big steamer which used to be put earlier. That has been changed or converted into a steaming rod. So that is done, and that was a complimentary given to me. I'm definitely very happy with this look, and you guys let me know in the comment section how you like it. That's it. Bye bye. See you until next time.